Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you Pond's lightweight gel moisturizer, and I will show you the review, and I will show you how you can use that cream, and that is a very budget friendly cream. So guys, let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so I was talking about this Pond's Super Light Moisturizer, gel oil free moisturizer, and this is a very nice cream because ingredients in this cream are very nice. Like, the ingredients in this cream are very good. They have hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E, that is very good for your skin. Hyaluronic acid really helps to make your skin supple, and it really helps to make your skin very hydrated. And vitamin E is really helps you in pigmentation, and it is really good. So the ingredients in this cream are very good, and the packaging is also very nice. You can see, if you're traveling or something, you can take this, and it's very easy to use, and you can travel with this. They have the small pack of this, so you can take that also. What is written on the packaging is Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer, and it's for non-sticky glowing skin. So this is a very good moisturizer. How you can use this is, you can use this as a primer whenever you are traveling, and if you don't want to carry many things, so you can just take this and you will be sorted. You can use this as a primer, you can use this as a night cream, you can use this as a morning ritual. And the best part of this cream is all skin types can use this cream. This is not very oily or not very sticky. So guys, whenever you will apply this cream, you will really feel hydrated. You have to take like this much of your cream, and you will be done for your face. It's a very lightweight moisturizer. You can see the consistency of this is like a gel thing. It's a very gel thing moisturizer, and it's a very good moisturizer. Very high end products are available in the market. In comparison of this is very good. Like the high end Laneige beauty sleeping mask and Neutrogena boost bomb or something is there. The texture of that and this is same. So this is very affordable. The small pack of this is I think for 115, and this is the bigger pack of there. So this is for 299. So I think it's very affordable in 299, and this is the bigger pack. If you want the travel size, you can take the smaller pack, and you can use this as a primer. You can use this as night cream also, morning cream also. The ingredients are also very good, and main oily skin people can use this. You can use this in all season, like winter, monsoon, summers. So you will not feel very sticky or anything, because the texture of this is like gel, and after sometimes it absorbs into your skin. So I was talking about this, and the second I have is this Pond's lightweight moisturizer. It's non-oily, fresh feel for soft and glowing skin, vitamin E plus glycerin. So this is for people who have very dry skin. They can use this. This has vitamin E plus glycerin, and the texture of this is thick. I will show you. You can see the texture of this is very thick. It's not gel like consistency. So this cream is mostly for dry people who have dry skin can use this cream. People who have dry skin can use this cream. The consistency of this cream is literally very thick, and it retails for 115. So I think in comparison of this both, I like this cream because it's very lightweight and it will not make you feel very sticky or something. So I think this is the best moisturizer if you're looking for an affordable moisturizer. So you can just give it a try. I'm highly suggesting you to try this. It's a very good moisturizer. Okay guys, let's talk about the smell. I will just show you. The smell of this is very good, and it's not very it's not very strong smell, but it's a very nice smell, and the packaging is also good, and the range of this is like very affordable, so you can just give it a try. Okay guys, so I'm showing you now how this cream looks like on your face. So on the half face I'll apply this cream, and on the half face I'll apply this cream, so that you get to know which one you have to buy. So on the left hand side I'm applying this Pond's Super Light gel like moisturizer cream. So I will show you how it looks like on my half face. So I'm taking this much amount, you can see, and I will apply it over here on this side. Now you have to rub it on your hands and you have to just massage it into your skin. You can see, guys, I've just applied on my half face. You have to moisturize around your eyes also. Properly massage it around your eyes and everything. I really like the smell of this cream. It's very good. So you can see this side is little dry now. I have applied this gel on this side. So now let it absorb, and till that time I will apply this Pond's cream on this side so that you get to know what which one suits you best. So I am taking this much amount for this side of my face, and I will just apply dot. The consistency is really very thick of this cream. You can use this cream in winters if you want. So guys, you can see the difference. On this side I have applied the cream, the Pond's this side, this cream light moisturizer, you can see, and on this side I have applied this gel consistency, and it's absorbing into my skin, but it is taking little time. So this feels this side really is feeling really glowy, you can see. So guys, I hope you can see the results on both the sides, and which you think is better for you. You can go and buy it out. So you can just give it a try. If you want for dry skin, if you have very dry skin, then you should go for this, and if you want a cream for all skin types, then you should go for this. So I highly recommend you to buy this. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Please like my video, please share my video, and please subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified for that. Bye guys, take care.